To access your tickets, click View My Tickets on the homepage. Then select the desired ticket. The status of the ticket is displayed on the right side of the screen. To cancel a ticket, click the red Withdraw Request button. On this page, you can communicate with IT regarding your ticket by posting questions and comments. Occasionally, you may be asked to review and approve tasks such as system changes, purchase requests, or modifications to access permissions. When this happens, you'll receive an email with a link to the approval in the portal. You can also access your approvals directly by going to My Approvals in the View My Tickets section. Select the approval. Then choose Approve or Reject.